And we actually, when we added the boost with the new pulley that we added in the last video, and then the break between practice in the morning and then the temperature rise outside plus that boost caused us to go lean. So we got on the horn with Toby from Advanced Engine Dynamics. He got in, did some beep boop beeps, did that. That was only after we tried to raise the fuel pressure. Didn't do anything that we wanted. So we went back in, tuned that up. Rich is doing really good given the experience in the car. Leads, really nice. Chases, we have room to improve. But overall, we got here, the car's working.